All right, so we have Abby here. Abby's one of our top transformers. She's been with us for several months now, and she's really, really enjoying the program. She's seen some great results. So she's here to share with you a little bit of her story. And so take it away, Abby. Like before you joined us, like where were you on your fitness journey?
Yeah, I had gone to different gyms and registered for different programs, but I felt like it was hard for me to find a rhythm that worked with my lifestyle. It was very inconsistent. I had danced competitively for a pretty long time, but I didn't feel like I considered myself living an active lifestyle. So when I had met Patrick and I connected with Patrick, um, it it felt like it was the decision to decide, is this something I want to do for my life and make this lifestyle change?
Awesome. And so when you made that decision, you joined us. Like, what are some of the healthy habits you've built?
I think the first one was just being aware of the healthy habits I didn't have. So, I mean, something as simple as just noticing how much sauce I was having on like salad dressing, for example, or I mean, I'm a huge bubble tea drink person. So I think just being aware of those habits and learning how to put almost like keystone habits to prevent me from choosing those other things, or recognizing, okay, the reason I'm trying things because I'm emotionally eating, for example. So it really helped me to kind of have a strict diet to adhere to, because I knew that I had to choose within that to stay disciplined.
Perfect. I'm so proud of you for building the positive habits. That's what I'm trying to teach my son here to do as well. Hope it's okay him joining us. He kind of crawled onto my lap. But yeah, like share with us, like after you joined our program, you started seeing results. Like what are the results that you've achieved so far with us?
I'd say weight loss was, I guess, the most immediate one. I mean, it didn't happen right away for me, and it was both a combination of what I was eating and just introducing more consistent exercise into my life. Another one that I'm very thankful to you for was we would do an accountability thing in terms of, setting the intention for the day and say three things for the day you're looking forward to, and at the end of the day, three things that you're thankful for. So it really helped me to get my mind in the right place. I remember one time in one of the coaching sessions, you and Aki talked about not just about, let's say, like the physical weight that you're trying to lose. It's like the mental weight, right? And it's the way that you think about yourself and your perception of health and the kind of lifestyle you want to achieve. And for me, I think that was actually a really big change, which both, as I had to happen on a mental level to help me become more or be more intentional about being physically fit, but also being more physically active helped me to get, I think, in shape, a better shape mentally.
Yeah, absolutely. Like everything is connected, like body, mind, and soul. So when one area is doing well, everything else is doing well. When one area is struggling, like multiple areas are struggling. And so when you can like frame your fitness in terms of body and mind and soul, set the intentions properly, start off the day on a positive note, end the day on a positive note, and then have all the right habits in place, have a plan like that makes a huge difference. And so we're really proud of you, Abby. Like you've been doing amazing. You've achieved great results. You're down 15 pounds now. And so for everyone looking to join our program, but kind of on the fence, what would you say to them?
I would say, yeah, for sure. Like, I mean, I'm biased at this point, but I mean, for me, it really helped to have a structured program to follow and to have the accountability of, both you, but also the other people that are doing it, whether I could join in for the live sessions or not. It just, it's that sense of you're on a team, right? And you're working together to achieve the same goals, and you can be honest about, or almost honest in the kind of sense where, I mean, you can see all the food pictures I send you, right? So it's kind of like, what,
Yes.
this is where I'm at right now, but you can see it. But in a way, it's also holding yourself accountable to knowing that these are where you want to be, and this is just the process you have to take to get there. For
Yeah,
anyone
perfect.
in joining, something that really stuck with me in this program is the whole idea of trusting the process. Like you really have to just, there's no way around it, right? And it's kind of, there are always going to be ups and downs, but I'm very, very thankful that it came into my life at the time that it did, and I'm very thankful to have been able to go through it.
Yeah, awesome. Thanks for sharing that. Process is huge, right? You can have a goal, right? But if you have a goal, but you don't have the right action steps, it just becomes a dream, once you break down your goal into the right action steps, and then you have the right daily action, you make that into a repeatable process day after day. Then instead of like wishing for that goal to happen, you're creating that goal through those daily habits. And when you can have a plan surrounding your fitness, and you break it down into your daily nutrition steps, your daily fitness steps, it makes it so much more easier when you have a plan, when you have accountability, and when you have a coach. So really proud of you, Abby, once again. Thanks for joining us. I know my son hopped in here unexpectedly, but this was an unrehearsed conversation. So hope everyone benefited from this. And for everyone that's watching, I want to leave you a little gift. It's my free weight loss detox. Inside of this, there's step-by-step recipes, my speed workouts, and then also my 3-step formula boost metabolism. And also as a back to school promotion for everyone that's interested in trying out our program, we have a 7-day free trial. So you can either click the link below or get in contact with Abby or myself, and I'll be more than happy to set that up for you. Again, Abby, thanks for hopping on, and keep up the hard work.
Thank you so much, Patrick. Bye.